Good afternoon, Taylah.
Hey.
Are you alright?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You wouldn't
dear.
understand.
Taylah has by far the weirdest sense of humour I've ever come across in my entire life.
Okay.
Anyways, hello. It's what did I say today was? I think it's day 18. I hope it is. Maybe I can't remember how long it's been since I've eaten my advent calendar. For all I know, it could be yesterday, but maybe it's been longer than that. Let's have a look. What do we got? So that's 11. There's 18. 17. Is that... Oh, I didn't eat yesterday. Okay. 17. Out you come. If I can... Yeah. It's a bell. Woo. Yeah. It's definitely 18th because I just put 17 in the thumbnail for yesterday's vlog, so it means I get 2 today. Cool. What are you? Ah! Oh, it's a penguin! Cool. God, it's like so close to Christmas. We started eating the house. Could not resist. I think I've like overloaded on sugar today because the icing on it is like so sweet. Yeah, what am I doing today? I'm cleaning up this bench apparently because Mum told me to. Watching the cricket. Not much else, I guess. Might start to wrap some presents. I don't know if I can be bothered to go and try and replace that wrapping paper, so I guess we'll just have to do. Also, Mum got a new phone today. I've been playing around with it a bit for her. It's a Sony Xperia Z3, and it's pretty cool, if I do say so myself. So that's what's going on. So Taylor's about to do some dancing.
I'm gonna kill it.
This could be good.
Is this me? Yeah. Did I make him an... Oh shit! Oh, this is where it stands still. How do I go back?
Okie dokie friends, we're going to the post office and the chemist and stuff. If Mum will hurry up. There she is, she's coming now. Yay for fun. Woo! Let's go to the post office. Yay! Yeah. Oh, it's still a bit warm.
Yeah, it's really muggy.
Yeah. Unpleasant. Hey ponies, what you doing? Oh.
Has those eyes. Thirsty Merc before that Sam Smith and Huey Lewis from 1982. Do you believe in love? 27 after 5. Weather for New in the Valley. Mostly sunny tomorrow, 23. Mostly sunny on Saturday, 23. And sunny on Sunday, 25. We are still expecting a bit of a thunderstorm tonight too. Just keep that in mind. Right now it's 22 degrees at right.
What do you want? What do you want? I don't have your toys. I don't have them. Attack and kill. So here's a fun thing, because Mum got a new phone today, so did I. Mum's iPhone 5. I've been like an ancient human with my sad little iPhone 4 for a very long time. So now I get to have this. I really like the iPhone 5 design actually. It's the white one, which I really like, and I like the metal back and stuff like that, so yeah, I'm pretty pleased. I mean, hopefully it'll run better. My iPhone 4 just could not handle iOS 7, and it was just a bit sad. It just wouldn't work. So I've just been setting it up for the past little while. and I'm now sorting out music and stuff to go on it. So, pretty good day. Good day for the phones. Alrighty friends, so that's it, I guess, for the day. I'm running out of ways to sign off these vlogs. There's been far too many in a very short amount of time, so yeah, not much to say really. I finally kicked that headache. It was still there like all afternoon, but we went to the chemist and got some better painkillers, so finally it is gone. And I've just finished setting up like all the music and stuff onto the new phone. Finally, it took hours. I hate doing like music transfers onto new phones. It's just the worst thing in the world. But I'm finally done, and there's still space left, which is a good thing. Yeah, lovely. And I've got my little Christmas, my little Christmas wallpaper. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and like and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a nice night or whatever. Bye.